Yes, day before yesterday we came to know that he has a lung problem. So yesterday night we came to know that there is a liquid deposition in his lung. So now his condition is a little bit stable by this morning. So we are planning to airlift my father to Delhi with the help of the Chorley-Chandpur DC. And now we are waiting for the doctor certification for fit for flight. So we are waiting for, and we hope for his health to be better. And if we can bring him there, so there is a doctor which we have already consult from last 2-3 years, because he have been suffered from the mob violence in Imphal by May 4th of 2023. So now we are hoping that he'll be better by his health condition. So we hope for the best. Thank you so much.
So his condition is still critical due to the violence which erupted in 2023. He was attacked, and then he is critical since then.
Yes. So he's critical because now after he suffered from that mob violence, so we prepared by home remedies and then the physiotherapy. So his health is not in a good condition for now. So we hope for the best for if he can reach Delhi for a better health facility.
Can you please tell us why was he attacked by the mob?
Let's say it's a communal crisis between the Kuki and the Meitei and the Zomi. So he went to visit the CM, the ex-Chief Minister of Manipur. So on his way back home, he was attacked by the Arambai Tengol. So it's a communal amenity.